In this video, we're preparing ourselves. Well, grocery shopping, meal prepping, getting Wilder's schoolwork together for the next 2 months. Crafts. She's gonna be writing her name fully. She's already like writing half of it, but putting the words together and doing it nicely. Or semi-nice, whatever. We're not gonna stress too much on it, but I need things for her to do because she's out of school. So she's not gonna be driving my ass crazy, okay? You know what I'm saying? We need to have things for her to do. Getting that ready, and then like I haven't had time to do anything. So, and it's been raining. If you don't do your things here in the beginning of the day, by the end of the day you're in the house because it's raining. You're not about to catch me outside grocery shopping in the rain. And then like if I order Rappi, the produce is not as good. It's just not as good as going to the store. It has really nothing to do with like people, the way they pick and everything. It's like in the States, it's like, no, I don't want my Uber or whatever. What do they use? My Instacart to pick my produce and blah, blah, blah. The produce is just not as good as at the stores. Like at Esito and like Carulla, I don't know how they say it, but yeah, it's not as good at the stores. It's better at like little produce stores. So we're gonna go do that. Need to meal prep. I mean, Wildy has her graduation. There's no more school, so I need to have food on deck so I'm not hearing I'm hungry every 5 minutes. And I need to have activities on deck. And I need to be able to get the things done for work that I need to get done because it's the end of the year and we have goals that we're hitting before this year is up that I've been just slacking. Honestly, do I want to say take my time? No, we're gonna be real. I've been slacking on them. I've just been dilly-dallying. No more dilly-dallying. So yeah, that's what we're doing in this video.
Special, if you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J. Hey, we can do it on that beach day.
Every day, I go to school. I meet my friends. And we all say.
Today is the day that we move into the next spot, and honestly, I am just extremely ready to have stability. I'm going to loathe having to pick up all my stuff and move it again. We're gonna be in this next place until February. By then I want to have like my visa and apartment and everything situated. I'm just waiting till I get back at the end of this month so that I don't have any problems applying for my visa and whatever. So yeah, it's just like moving pains, but it's really making me see that I'm really tired of moving. Like, this is really setting in stone that I want to just hunker down in Colombia for a minimum of a year. I want to, I don't know, I have a lot of goals and plans that I want to carry out here, so I just don't want to be mobile like that anymore. If I'm gonna be traveling, I want to just be able to take my carry-on suitcase or even just a backpack and go. I don't want to have to carry anything else. So yeah,
must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to take my way. Plenty survive.
I like it like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. Ho. I like you like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. Ho.
I need more energy.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the word.
Okay, I don't know what is going on with my camera. There's a button for the camera and there's a button for the video. I can press the video button even though I'm on camera mode, and it will record, but it just will record in slow motion. And I don't know how to take that off. When I switch to video, there's like multiple modes. So I need to figure out what those modes are, because one of the modes I keep hitting and it keeps recording with no sound. So this whole video has lots of music in it and no sound because I keep not catching it until the end, and it's so annoying. But that's gonna change. I'm gonna figure it out today. And if I can just take that off of this camera, I'm gonna take it off, because two things I want to talk about right now. First thing, you need to just follow your heart. But following your heart isn't just, I'm gonna take my time in deciding, mull it over, go back and forth, ask a bunch of people, go back and forth some more, question it, and make a scared decision. Following your heart is getting word that you need to do something, that you want to do something, getting an idea, getting an itch to scratch, and following it immediately. Execute, execute, execute. You don't need to consult with anything outside of you. All you need to do is trust that you got that for a reason and execute whatever it is immediately. That is how you get on your most aligned path, period. Second thing is piggybacking off of that. Because you have the nerve to do that, it will lead you to finding your highest self, your most aligned path. It will lead you to finding yourself. I feel that number one, everybody's so boggled down by the stressors of life and the system that it's hard to even think like, oh, I don't really know who I am and I'm uncomfortable with it. Or maybe you're part of the people who are waking up and you're trying to figure out who you are. Or maybe you've been searching for who you are because deep down inside you know who you are. And you know that who you are presently is not really who you're meant to be. And you're just wondering, how the fuck do I get there? And so how you get there is by executing. There's so many different ways to get there through execution, but they all require you to take action. I need to find who I am. So anything that pops into your mind, try it. Put feelers out there. Throw some shit at the wall to see if it sticks. Write down what you want. Write down who you feel like you're supposed to be. Be comfortable with who you are now. Get through the no's so that you can find the yes. Instead of freaking out about fear, attack it. Choose the opportunity that scares you the most. Make the decision that you're the most uncomfortable with. Be okay with shit not working out. Look forward to making mistakes. Nobody knows what the fuck to do. Nobody got the blueprint on how to do this. Like, that's not the point. So stop kicking yourself and just take action. That's all you have to do. The minute that you start taking action, you will be rewarded. Especially at the beginning. We're supposed to be here because we're supposed to be learning. It's not supposed to be that hard. We just have an issue with learning. We have an issue with making mistakes. We think we're not supposed to, but that is actually how you learn. Getting through the no's will eventually lead you to your yes. Getting through all of the executions will get you onto your aligned path. Then you will know what you're supposed to be doing. And that's always going to be changing. Like, you're never actually really going to know yourself, because at the minute that you get to where you think yourself is, there's going to be more, unless you die. So yeah, I guess that's just all I have to say. And I'm gonna leave the video here because it's a perfect time. just dip out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I never end these videos like this. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs. I hope that they're resonating with you. I'm at 700 subscribers now. We're on the road to 1,000. Yeah! And I'm doing this for me, for my memories, because I enjoy the process of putting these videos together. And I appreciate that so many of you are here watching, supporting, going to the other platforms and just chilling with me. I don't know, y'all, the community that surrounds me is just amazing, and I really appreciate it. It's very validating, and yeah, so I just appreciate you guys being here watching, and it is very motivating to see how I'm growing and to see that people are enjoying the process as much as I do. So I appreciate you, and with that I shall leave. Goodbye.
It's that feeling that makes you wanna. It's that feeling that makes you wanna.